YSK reverse image search before buying anything online, not just furniture. Why YSK? It will save you hundreds. X200B. 1. For some items, like furniture, identical items will be sold under different names on different sites. It's hard to find without image search. Wayfair is a particular culprit. This is somewhat common knowledge on here, but 2. For many other items, like fashion, you'll find near identical items. I can't link here, but I was looking at 2 dresses on Amazon. They had $100 differences and were near identical. I found the cheaper one through image search. The kicker? It was higher rated. So if you're interested in frugality, or just not getting upsold, use an image search. Since people were asking, here is how to image search. Any others LMK and I will add. 1. Google Lens right-click images. 2. 3. Reverse eMobile, might be blocked in US. 4. Score disclosure, I built this. 5. Temu app phone, be careful of quality. 6. Is great for furniture.